What do we use internet for? Reading topics in our own language, messaging and talking with our friends, watching movies, listening to music, and lots of other stuff. But do you know over 5% of world population can't use these services due to deafness or hearing loss disability? Deaf are people who can talk and hear. They have their own language of communication, sign language. They can only understand this language and also they write and read faster on sign writing. Sign writing? Yes. Just like we use writing system consists of alphabets, deaf have their own writing system. It's called sign writing. Sign writing is composed of symbols for height, face cues, hand shapes, and movements. Because the writing is pictorial, natural shapes and movements of signs can be realistically shown, as well as facial expressions and body movements. This writing system can be used to write every sign of signed sentence in every country. But a long existing gap that still exists is there is no translation system to translate text from common languages to sign writing. The solution we propose is an automatic system that can translate English words and sentences into sign writing and vice versa, just like other machine translations. Using this machine translation system, we can build a general purpose speech to sign language converter in 2 steps. First, speech to text conversion. Second, by converting text to sign writing using the machine translation system. The sign writing output is understandable by most deaf, but we can further develop this solution using computer graphic techniques by converting sign writing to an animated avatar. Converting sign writing to an animated avatar is an easy task as there is only 600 characters in sign writing that can easily be converted to their animation sign representative. There is no available dataset for sign writing, but we managed to create a sample of common words and sentences that deaf are used in their daily life. The dataset we created has around 4,000 pairs of English sentences and their sign writing representations in 1D format separated by tabs. 1D is the format that is understandable by computer, and also sign writing have a 2D format which is understandable for human. We use a sequence-to-sequence model for training our model, and after training, we have built a simple UI where users can translate English sentences to sign writing. Let's take a look at our demo.
This is a simple demo of our platform we have built for this hackathon. As you can see in here, I can type an English sentence. So, for example, I understand. So, this is an English sentence, and if I click on translate, this sentence will be translated to 1D format of sign writing. This format is only understandable by computer, but then we have used a JavaScript script to translate this 1D format to 2D format, which is understandable by most of the thieves. This is a sign representation of a sign in sign writing. So, for example, if I change this sentence, for example, to I understand well, the sign will be also changed. This is how our sign writing machine learning translation works. And we have used TensorFlow to build our machine translation module, and we have used React for building our user interfaces.
Many deaf have below average reading ability for English text. Sign writing is the international writing system for deaf. Using this module, deaf can easily translate any text to their own writing system. The result of the model is acceptable as a demo, but a more complete solution needs a large and complete dataset. After creating a large enough dataset and training our model, our plan is to make the project open source and create a public API so other developers can easily use the translator to create different accessibility tools for the deaf. Some example of these tools can be browser extensions to translate the content of websites to sign writing, or applications to convert messages, voices, and even phone calls to sign writings. All of these solutions can be easily created using our API. As the final stage of our project, we will embed speech-to-text conversion to our system, and we will build a signing avatar that can perform different animation based on sign writing letters. Thank you very much.